If you're still driving around with an open truck bed, then you're missing out on more than just security, because that extra drag can shave close to 2% off your fuel economy while your cargo is left exposed to rain, dust, and prying eyes. And a good tonneau cover takes care of all that. And when it comes to shopping for one, RealTruck tend to be one of the first places to check. But with so many covers listed there, it's easy to get overwhelmed. So I did the research, compared the options, and then narrowed it down to the 7 best tonneau covers. And if you find something you like, I'll leave links to all the tonneau covers in the description below. And I've also tagged each product throughout the video so you can check them out. Number 7 is the Gator EFX, and this is the best hard folding tonneau cover on this list. It's built from layered aluminum and it locks automatically when closed. Gator also adds extra latching points compared to most budget covers, so it feels a lot more secure. And as a tri-fold cover, the panels can support up to 300 pounds when everything's locked in place. The semi-gloss black finish also holds up well, so it won't fade or turn chalky after months in the sun. And if you've ever had to climb into the bed just to grab something in the back, you'll appreciate the included 4-foot steel cargo retriever. Getting into the bed is quick too. A pull cable on either side of the tailgate releases the cover, giving you access to 2/3 of the bed whenever you need more space. And here's what Mark says. This cover is as advertised. It is a good basic cover and a reasonable price. It installs easily, easier with another set of hands. It looks good, it keeps the weather out, and locks securely with the locking tailgate. I'm glad I bought this one and would buy it again. So if you want the security of a hard cover without paying premium prices, this is a solid pick. Number 6 is the Truxedo Truck Sport Gen 2, and this is the best roll-up tonneau cover on our list. It's soft-sided, so you can get full access to the bed in seconds. Just roll it towards the cab, secure the built-in straps, and you're good to go. Of course, that convenience wouldn't mean much if the cover started sagging after a few months, but that isn't an issue here. Truxedo uses a built-in tension spring that keeps the fabric tight over time, and when you roll it shut, it secures firmly along both sides. So whether it's pouring rain, strong winds, or even a car wash, the cover stays sealed up. And durability is another strong point. The fabric stands up to long days in the sun without cracking or fading like some cheaper vinyl covers. Underneath, support bows help maintain an even surface, which reduces water buildup in the middle and limits movement at highway speeds. You can also release it from either side of the tailgate thanks to a redesigned handle that's more comfortable to grab. So if you're after something that's easy to live with while still keeping the weather out, this is the one to go with. Number 5 is the Retrax 1 MX, and this is the best retractable tonneau cover on our list. Rather than folding up or rolling toward the cab, it slides smoothly into a compact canister at the front of the bed. The system is manually operated, and you can lock it in nearly any position along the rails whenever you need partial bed access. And a big reason it feels so refined is the CoreTrax track system. The sealed track keeps dirt and debris out, which helps everything operate consistently over the long run. Opening is simple too. Just lift the latch, press the button, and the handle pops right up. The bearings are maintenance free, so once it's installed, there's very little to worry about. And it's also built as a single solid piece with aluminum reinforcement underneath for added strength. Without any hinges or joints across the surface, water has far fewer entry points. And if moisture does get close, an integrated drainage system routes it through the concealed tubes before it can collect in the bed. On top of that, the matte black surface looks right at home on the truck, and that's something a lot of covers struggle to pull off. But what really stands out is how low it sits. You still get the sleek look without sacrificing any rear visibility. And here's what Troy says. This is the second one I've bought, had one on my previous truck and bought another one for my new truck. Easy to install and it keeps things dry and safe in the truck bed. I'll definitely purchase more in the future. So convenience matters just as much as protection. This is the one I'd be looking at. Number 4 is the DZ Guardian HD, and this is the best heavy-duty tonneau cover on our list. With an 800-pound weight capacity, you can throw a tent, a cooler, or just about any extra gear on top. It's made from bright thread aluminum and has a textured surface that helps maintain traction. So even after your truck has been sitting out in the rain all night, you can still get a stable surface to stand on. It's even finished with a black powder coat that does a great job of resisting rust and corrosion. And for easier opening, the cover uses gas shocks that lift the weight as you open it. They also keep the panel from slamming shut, which is a nice safety feature if you've got kids or pets around the truck while you're loading up. The cover also keeps the elements out with drainage channels, plus a rubber tailgate seal that stops leaks around the edges. Installation is simple because all the necessary hardware is included, and if you ever want to expand your setup, the built-in channels are ready for crossbars or a platform rack. So if you want a cover that's tough enough for serious hauling but still easy to use, this one checks all the boxes. And if you want to know the latest prices of the Tonneau covers discussed in this video, be sure to check the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 3 is the X-Tang Trifecta, and this is the best for trucks with a toolbox. The big thing here is the L-channel design. It attaches to the back of your toolbox and seals off the gap where water and debris could otherwise sneak through. Your toolbox stays fully accessible, and it works with most 18 to 20 inch crossover toolboxes. And to keep water out, it comes with triple fin seals to create a tighter barrier than the standard seal that comes on your truck. Underneath, you've got an aircraft-grade aluminum frame wrapped in a premium vinyl tarp, and since it folds in 3 sections, you can open just in the area you need or fold it all the way back when you want full bed access. The hinges connecting each section are also a step above the usual design. X-Tang calls them dual pivot max hinges, and they help each panel move more smoothly while adding extra support to the folding system. Besides that, you won't need a single tool to put this on. The front clamps attach right to your bed flanges, and the rear clamps lock in with a simple click. It's also backed by a limited lifetime warranty, which is the longest coverage of any cover on this list. So if you're running a crossover toolbox and still want full bed coverage, then this one's worth a look. Number 2 is the Undercover Elite LX, and this is the best one-piece Tonneau cover on our list. You can unlock it, give it a little lift, and the gas-charged struts do the rest. The one-piece design doesn't leave a hinge line or panel joint for a crowbar to work into, and if someone tries to force it open, they'll have a much harder time. And when the panel comes down, a rubber seal presses tight along the whole perimeter, so nothing wet or dusty makes it past that line either. I also like the way Undercover finishes this one. They match the paint to your truck's factory color code, so it blends right in with the rest of the truck. The panel underneath is made from ABS composite, which is lighter than fiberglass, but don't let the lighter weight fool you. It's reinforced with X pattern bracing inside, and that's enough to carry 500 pounds of cargo. There's also an LED light for when you're digging through the bed after dark, plus a lanyard that helps you pull a gear closer without having to climb in. Now at around $1,500, it isn't cheap, but you get a 3-year warranty on top of it, so if you're after a premium hardcover that looks good and works just as well, then this one won't disappoint. Number 1 is the RealTruck X-Tang Trifecta E-Series, and this is the best overall Tonneau cover on our list. It's a soft folding cover, so it's easy to lift and light enough to remove on your own. The spring-loaded handle also makes getting into the bed quick. Just give it a pull, fold the cover back, and you're in. And if you need more room, simply fold it forward for 2/3 bed access and secure it with the buckle straps before hitting the road. And that's especially useful when you're hauling something too tall to fit underneath. You get a thicker 40-grade vinyl, which gives the cover a much more solid feel, but that's only part of what makes the cover so durable. Underneath, X-Tang's exclusive mega bows keep it supported, so you can leave it in the rain without worrying about it sagging. They even paid attention to the hardware. It stays tucked inside the bows instead of rubbing against the cover every time you open or close it. The dual pivot hinges also spread out the stress with every fold to help the seams stay tight for years. And you can count on this cover in just about any weather. It's been tested in temperatures from -40 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit and humidity levels up to 95%. So whether you're dealing with freezing cold or blazing heat, it keeps doing its job. So if you're after the most well-rounded pick on this list, then this one's hard to beat. And that's all for today. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect Tonneau cover. And if you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each Tonneau cover. Thanks for watching.